Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. Once you see the Honor logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, we need to download and install the Honor Health application on the iPhone we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Honor Health. And tap on search. Scroll through the list of apps, find the Honor Health app, looks like this, tap on it, and here tap on the Get button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open it. In the app, tap on Next, Agree, tap on Get Started, and here we can enable or disable the option for the app to write and read the data for the steps. So if you want to track your steps through the application and stuff like that, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can keep it denied. Tap on Allow or Deny. Next we have the location permission. This is useful if you want to use features like maybe weather for the specific location, like current location, tracking the activities on the map like cycling, running and stuff like that, and different features that require basically the location access. If you want to use them, allow the permission. If you don't care, deny it. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the health page of the app. Now tap on the device icon, here tap on Add Device, and it will ask you to log in into Honor ID account. If you don't have an account, you can always log in, or rather make a new one by tapping on Register. Okay, or you can use the SMS. So basically you enter the phone number and log in via the SMS. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in through the email. Give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and now I need to enter the code from the email address. So let's obtain the code and look for it. Okay, we have the code, so let's enter the code. So it's gonna be 5626 and 32, and tap on confirm. I'm gonna tap on trust right here. Okay, and next, as you can see, we have more permissions. This one is for Bluetooth. It's required. I recommend to allow it because otherwise you might have problems pairing the devices together. Here we have the notification permission. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. So if you want to use this feature, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Here you can customize the app for your liking. I'm just gonna tap on skip for now. And for some reason I already have the device added to my device list. I'm just gonna disconnect it for now, or remove it. Basically, we want to add the new device. So to do it, tap on Add Device, select the watch. It should be detectable, or rather detected by the app. Tap on it to select it, tap on Agree. Now we need to go to the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone, so we need to open the settings, Bluetooth, and here you have the list of devices, and Honor Watch will appear on the list of other devices. And what we need to do is to tap on it, tap on the check mark on the watch. It will appear on the list of my devices. Now we can go back to the app, tap on Completed, tap on Pair, allow or deny the permission for the notifications, tap on OK, allow or deny the permission to access the contacts. This is useful for the phone calling, I believe, Bluetooth calls basically. If you want to use it, tap on allow. If you don't care, tap on don't allow. And finally, you can also check or uncheck the box to automatically download updates over the VLAN or WLAN, and then tap on complete. And at this point, you should see the Honor Watch 4 on the list of devices on the device page. And if you tap on it, you should see the device page for your Honor Watch 4. And of course, if you wake up the screen on your watch, you will be able to use it. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.